A restaurant serves 10 flavors of ice cream. Danielle has ordered a large sundae with 3 scoops of ice cream. How many different ice cream combinations does Danielle have to choose from if she wants each scoop to be different? Okay. So this is a combination problem because if we're talking about a sundae, it doesn't really matter which order the ice cream is on the plate. Okay? It's just groupings of 3. It's not arrangements of 3, right? You can choose from whichever you want. When you eat it, doesn't really matter, but it's just groupings of 3. So this is a combination problem. So we have 10 flavors, right? And she wants 3 scoops, so different ice cream combinations. So that is 10, choose 3. And if we were talking about, the formula now for combinations, right? We just learned what the formula was over here. It's going to be a little bit different than permutations, but it's n factorial, so that's 10 factorial. That's all of the different 10 flavors. How many ways could we have all of the 10 flavors arranged in a row? And then, of course, we don't want 10 scoops. We just want 3 scoops. So we have to account for this 3 part here. And so we're going to divide by 10 minus 3. We're going to divide by the difference there. And that's going to be 7 factorial. And because order doesn't matter, we also need to divide by 3 factorial here. So that's where the combination formula comes from, or how we work that. So this is going to be 10 factorial over 7 factorial times 3 factorial. And if we write that out, the long way without using, we might be able to do this without using a calculator, I'm not sure. But this is 10 times 9 times 8 times 7 factorial. And we have 7 factorial as a factor on the bottom. And then 3 factorial. So guess what? This 7 factorial goes with this 7 factorial. 3 factorial is 3 times 2, so that's times 6. So I don't know if we can, 6 really isn't a factor of any of these. So if we did, so 10 times 9 is 90 times 8 over 6. What's 9 times 8? That's 72. So that's 720 over 6. And what's 720 divided by 6? Well, it's going to be 100. 6 times 100 gives us 600. And then what's 6 times what gives us 120? So what do you think? Is that 120? 720 divided by 6 is 120? Okay. So 120 different groupings of 3 scoops if you're given 10 to choose from. Any questions about example 2? Okay. So make sure you know what a combination question looks like. And this is on page 275 of your Foundations of MathWell text. Okay, come look at that.